If your goal this year is to become a consistently profitable trader, then this is a video for you. All right, so make sure you sit to the very end for you to get everything I'm going to share in this video. Let's get started without wasting much of your time. All right, so what do you need in order for you to become a consistently profitable trader as we step into 2025? So the first thing that you always have to have is a proven strategy. All right. So a strategy that has been proven to be profitable by back testing, live testing, and forward testing the strategy. And this is going to give you the confidence to be able to execute your strategy every time. You can't come into the market without having developed a system that works. And how do you know it works? It's through the back testing process. It's very, very important for you to be able to back test your strategy until you have the confidence that the strategy actually works. So it's through back testing that you know your win rate, that you know how much stop loss you're supposed to use. That's how you know your entry criteria, and that's exactly how you know your exit criteria. So you have to be very deliberate about making sure that you have the confidence in your strategy, and this is going to help you when it comes to having maybe a couple of losses in a row, because it's according to your system, right? You've already proven that it actually works. So those losses are usually because the probabilistic nature of the market. So you can't know that minus back testing. All right. So before you even jump into the market, make sure your strategy works and it has been proven over time that it actually does work. If not, then you are going to keep on losing and changing strategies every time. So remember to have a proven strategy that has been back tested. All right. So understand your win rate and understand your average profit per trade, understand your drawdown level so that you're not surprised when you are encountering those things in the market. So it's very, very important that you come with this proven strategy before you even get started. So make sure you give yourself plenty of time to back test and forward test this strategy. Give yourself months, 2 or 3 months, so that you are confident as you are coming into the market. If you're just coming to gamble, I'm telling you, it won't end well for you. So make sure you take advantage of this new year and become a consistently profitable trader by making sure that you have a proven strategy. Remember, there's no need of you coming up with something completely new. It's very simple. Find someone that you like and you like the way they trade, learn that strategy, back test it, and then test it. All right. By doing that, you're going to find out whether the strategy works or not, and just getting it from their mouth. So a lot of people can just say a lot of things which don't even exist, right? So make sure you find what you like and then backtest it until you find it's profitable. All right. So the second thing that is very, very important in order for you to become a consistently profitable trader is risk management. So you guys, it's very, very important, regardless of how good your strategy is. It's very, very important to have a proper risk management in place. What am I talking about? So before you enter any particular trade, you must have a sound understanding of how much percentage are you willing to lose on that particular trade. So be confident with that and be confident with the amount of money you're going to lose on that particular trade, because losing is the only guaranteed part of trading, because it's going to happen. So what you can control is how much you lose, not whether you are going to lose or not. So make sure you understand how much you are losing on the particular trade so that you are comfortable with it. For me, I always recommend 0.5% to maximum 2% per trade. So make sure you are consistent with that every time. Before you enter into any particular trade, use a position size calculator and calculate exactly how much your stop loss is going to be, how much your stop loss in terms of money is going to be, so that you are confident and you don't even worry. You're not even worrying. What causes most people to worry and have fear is because they don't even know how much they're risking on the trade. They've just taken the trade. They don't know exactly how much they're willing to lose on that particular trade. So it's very, very dangerous. All right. So make sure you have a good understanding of your average risk to reward ratio. So if you've been watching our channel for some time, you're going to realize that our average risk to reward ratio is like 1 to 10. Our risk to reward ratio is very, very high. Right. So you have to have your own understanding. And remember, the risk reward ratio comes with its own consequences, right? So if you want a higher win rate, go with lower risk reward ratio. If you want a low win rate but high risk reward ratio, then you have to do just that. So choose, but you can't have them both. So you have to choose. So it's very, very, very important. And then also another thing is to diversify your portfolio. Don't trade Euro USD, GBP USD, and these other pairs which have the same currency in it. It's going to affect your portfolio every time because you're going to be exposing yourself to a lot of losses or wins if it goes in a direction, but most of the times it may affect you when it actually go into losses. And another thing that you have to know in advance is, like we've talked about, your stop loss and the take profit. So know exactly where your stop loss is going to be and know exactly where your profit target is going to be. There's no need to be greedy, guys. Make sure you have these things known before you even enter a particular trade. It's extremely, extremely important. So a stop loss has two roles, like I always say. One, it protects you from losing a lot of money. And number two, it actually invalidates your setup. It helps you invalidate your setup. So I know when my stop loss gets hit, I know that that setup has been invalidated. Therefore, I have to look for another one. Right? So it's nothing personal. A stop loss is just something to protect you. It's actually your best friend. So don't hit the stop loss. Make sure you have a physical stop loss in place. It's very, very, very important. Let's go on to the third and the most important thing when you've tackled the risk management and the strategy, which is now the bulletproof mindset. Guys, I cannot overemphasize how important your mindset is when it comes to trading. Trading is going to test you. So you have to come with a mindset of a winner, a mindset that is resilient. All right. So a mindset that is calm. You have to be very self-aware. You need to be self-disciplined so that you're able to stick to your trading plan and avoid impulsive trading, avoid revenge trading, because these things are going to happen. We are biologically engineered to avoid loss. So whenever we encounter losses, guess what happens? We go into revenge trading. We do all sort of things because we don't like to lose. So it's really, really important that you become self-aware and you know exactly when you're triggered and when you're most likely to actually do damn shit. Like Mark Douglas puts it, you have to be very self-aware so that you know when you're most likely to mess up. All right. So when you are very self-aware, you're going to avoid such things and then you're going to save yourself a lot of capital. All right. So emotional regulation. So this is really important. So find something that helps you calm down. So it can be exercising, it can be practicing mindfulness, it can be practicing meditation. So whatever helps you calm down, make sure you do that every time. It's really, really important because this is going to be very important when it comes to you becoming a consistently profitable trader in the market. I cannot overemphasize how important this is. And then also it's important to take breaks here and there. All right. So if you're stressed, if you are undergoing something in life, life is happening, it's okay to take a break. It's okay to take a break and then refresh your mind and come back with a clearer perspective of the market and everything. So it's really, really important. All right. So you must be able to adapt. So if you fail to adapt, you die. So accept losses as part of trading. These things are normal, very normal. You have to, if there's one thing you can expect is losses. Losses are going to come and they are normal. They are part of the normal probability sequence. No trading strategy is going to win every time. So you have to understand that very, very, very clearly. So come with a mindset that accepts losing and then that thinks in terms of probability and you think in terms of larger sample size. On a trade by trade basis, no one knows what's going to happen in the market. So you have to make sure that you're coming with the right mindset and this is going to save you a lot. All right. So learn from your mistake by journaling every trade. All right. This is very, very important now for you to become a consistently profitable trader. Journal your trades, know exactly where your entry is, where your exit is, where you move your stop loss to break even, how you trail your stop loss if the market is going in a direction. You have to understand that, and that comes through experience and also journaling these trades. So you cannot just wing it and think that you're going to be consistent profitable. It's going to be very hard for you. All right. So set realistic goals, guys. It's very, very important to set goals because if you don't set goals, you are not really doing anything for yourself. You are doing yourself a disservice. So make sure you set very smart goals so that you are able to monitor them, you're able to measure them over time, and you judge yourself not on a daily basis, but over a series of trades. Remember, like I always say, long-term mindset, a series of trade mindset where you think in terms of probability and you think over a larger sample size, because on a trade by trade, like Mark Douglas puts it, the market is random. The outcome of any individual trade is random at any given time. However, over a series of trades, you must have the confidence that your strategy will make you a profitable trader after a series of trades. And that's the kind of confidence I have, because I have a back-tested strategy that has been proven to work over time. I've been trading this strategy over 4 years now, and this is a consistently profitable strategy. All right. So you guys remember, you have to continuously learn. You have to continuously read books about psychology, so that you are continuing to renew your knowledge so that you remain updated and focused for you to become a consistently profitable trader. Guys, it's really, really, really important if you do these things. And I can promise you, if you can just do these things I've talked about in this video, comment in the comment section, and trust me, come back a year from now, you are going to be a consistently profitable trader. Remember, have a proven strategy, backtest that strategy, forward test it, and know your win rate, know your normal risk reward ratio, and all those things. Make sure you're confident in it and have a series of trade mindset. Number two, always know exactly how much you are going to lose on a trade by making sure that you are utilizing a position size calculator every time. It's extremely, extremely important. Make sure you know how much you're willing to lose on a trade by trade basis, and I encourage 0.5 to 2% maximum, right? And then make sure you are consistent with that, and then work on your mindset. Have the discipline to follow your strategy every time. Avoid emotional trading, avoid revenge trading, and remain adaptable enough for you to become a consistently profitable trader. Guys, I can only wish you all the very best as we step into 2025. I know I haven't made a video this year. This is the first one. So make sure you comment in the comment section. Let me know what you've learned from this video. Like, share this video so that you can share with those people who are just getting started. And remember, if you'd like to actually be part of our community, the first link in the description gives you access to our M&F Mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship, lifetime free a journal, free trading plan, and all those things. And you're able to actually have a one-on-one with me whenever you have any questions. All right. So make sure you check the first link in the description. Until next time, guys, goodbye. And I wish you all the very best.